Every car has a heart, a core that brings it to life. That heart is the engine, powering everything from the first morning drive to the longest road trips, carrying the weight of our journeys. Without the engine, a car is nothing more than a shell of metal. No motion, no energy, no life. Just a machine waiting for power to move it forward. The engine decides reliability, safety, and performance. Every drive, every journey depends on its strength and precision, connecting driver and machine as one. A weak or worn engine can leave you stranded in seconds, turning even short trips into frustration, delay, and real risk. Even the best car designs depend entirely on this one part. The engine is the foundation that every vehicle is built upon. From city streets to long highways, the engine carries the car, the driver, and every journey safely and reliably forward. The engine is where power meets life. Every acceleration, every climb, every stop depends on its precision and strength. Understanding the engine is understanding the car itself. It is where all decisions come together. Without a strong engine, even the most beautiful car becomes lifeless, waiting for the power that makes it move. To understand why the engine matters so much, we need to see how it all began. Early engines were simple, hand-built machines shaped with skill, patience, and basic tools. Materials were heavy and basic, yet strong enough to power the first automobiles across rough roads. Every piston, every crankshaft, every valve was carefully crafted by human hands. Engineers experimented endlessly, learning through failure, heat, and broken parts. Steam engines paved the way, showing the world that machines could move vehicles forward. Over time, internal combustion engines replaced steam, becoming smaller, faster, and more efficient. Testing was simple. Start the engine, listen carefully, and fix what failed. These early engines connected cities, people, and industries for the first time. They were imperfect, but revolutionary, laying the foundation for everything we drive today. Now, engine making has moved into advanced factories built on precision. Modern engines begin as solid metal blocks, ready to be shaped with extreme accuracy. CNC machines cut cylinders and pistons with microscopic precision. Robots assemble parts faster and more accurately than any human could. Every component moves through the assembly line in perfect synchronization. Protective coatings and seals are applied to extend engine life. Sensors and electronics give modern engines intelligence and control. Before installation, engines are tested under extreme conditions. Heat, vibration, and noise are measured to ensure smooth performance. Each engine is pushed beyond normal limits to confirm durability. This balance of automation and human inspection defines modern quality. Cheap engines often start with weak materials that crack under pressure. Poor pistons wear quickly, creating noise, power loss, and damage. Low-quality valves fail under heat, causing misfires and inefficiency. Bad oil channels increase friction, leading to early engine death. Faulty sensors confuse the system and reduce performance. Skipping proper testing leads to overheating and breakdowns. One small defect can destroy the entire engine. Saving money during manufacturing often costs more later. Cheap engines reach scrapyards far earlier than expected. Failures teach engineers how to build stronger engines. A great engine balances power, efficiency, and reliability. Every piston and valve moves in perfect harmony. High-quality materials resist heat and stress over time. Precision machining reduces wear and extends engine life. Advanced testing simulates years of driving in minutes. Human skill and robotic accuracy work together. The engine feels smooth, responsive, and alive. It transfers power seamlessly from machine to road. Sound, vibration, and response are carefully tuned. Engines have evolved continuously, driven by innovation. Quality and precision decide how long an engine lives. Shortcuts fail, but good engineering lasts decades. The engine is more than metal. It is lifeblood. Every journey depends on its performance. Knowing engines builds respect for automotive engineering. Every spark and movement plays a role. The engine works silently behind every drive. A strong engine ensures safety, trust, and performance. That is why the engine decides a car's life.